All right, it's day two of Indiana season. It's early. I got out here a full half hour early because I think there were some guys that came up here right after I did, and they let me have the spot. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, I heard them driving down the lane here. I could be wrong, but anyway, if you guys are watching this, thank you. Um, it's public land, so it is what it is. But we're gonna get out here, start listening again. Hopefully, we can find some birds again this morning. They're a little bit, they're talkative as they were yesterday. Maybe we can come back with a bird. I was gonna say with one less shell, but came back with one less shell yesterday and no bird. So um, is what it is. Anyway, we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna start walking down the lane here and start listening. It is a little bit early, so I've got plenty of time. So I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna get out there. All right, I'm doing this on the big camera, but we got a bird that's gobbling probably 300 or 400 yards away. He's doing pretty good. He's going at it, but we're gonna see if we can't sneak up there and get on one. We'll just see. Oh shit. Quick hunt this morning. Got a gobbler still going. These two, well, I guess it's a Jake. I really don't care. It's a good bird for me. They were actually roosted up in here. I was going after this gobbler over here, but made a couple calls, set up there, made a couple calls, and ended up taking him. He did have a buddy. Well, that one got away clean. Yeah. That one didn't go 20. Got me a bird. So pretty well. Heard this boy gobbling over here, and yeah, I mean, got him going. Well, heard that guy down there gobbling. These two were up in here. Actually, I think there are three. Ended up pitching down into the road. I was up there, made a couple of yelp calls, shot him at 15 yards. So, all in all, good hunt. I am sure I'm gonna catch 10 times the hell for this, but I really don't care. Shot my first Indiana public bird. It is a small Jake, I'll give you that, but I'm happy with it nonetheless. I think the colors on these birds are absolutely beautiful. I will be using this fan as a decoy fan for years to come, I'm sure. That being said, probably will not shoot another Jake. This being my first bird on Indiana land, I was just happy for anything. I have a beard, that, and this is my last day hunting Indiana, so I've got to packed weekends and all that fun stuff, so I actually took off work to be here. Last day, last morning kind of thing. I did have a bird gobbling. Actually, there's still birds gobbling, so coulda, woulda, shoulda, but I took this bird, so I'm very happy, very proud. I actually found it. I was actually going to another bird that was gobbling, and then looked up and actually heard this bird and another bird start putting in a tree. Well, I figured rather than blow them out, I would set up, call to the goblin bird, and see if I couldn't coax them in. These two actually pitched, one of these two, I guess the two up in the tree, pitched down into the lane that was the fire road here. And I thought they were gonna work their way down the finger some more. They actually came up right next to me. I think it was like a 10-yard shot maybe, and I had to swing and shoot at the same time. So all in all, it's a great hunt. Very easy sport to get into, can be extremely frustrating. You really don't need all that much. A good shotgun with a choke. You don't have to have all these fancy schmancy TSS stuff. Like, it helps, I'm sure, but I don't shoot that stuff. It's not really needed, but it is nice. And a mouth call. That's all I use really, is a mouth call. I would recommend getting a couple different calls just for kind of different situations, but if you learn how to use a mouth call, I think all the other ones, they have their place, they have their tools, but I think for your general, turkey hunting, just picking it up, get a mouth call, a slate call, a box call, something along those lines, and just get out there. Main thing is get out there early and start listening. Do your due diligence on scouting, and all that fun stuff, and you should be rewarded. There are a lot of people out there that aren't lucky enough to get one, but just keep at it and get you on some birds. Anyway, I know it's a short video, and I shot a Jake, but that is what it is. I'm very happy with it. Hopefully you guys learned something, or at least enjoyed it. Thanks again. We'll catch you on the next one. I've got a week left of Kentucky season, so we'll see. I've already tagged one bird there, and we'll just kind of see if we can get another one. But thanks again. Thanks for clicking on this one. Click on another one maybe.